Sammy. A new day begins. I don't really want to see James because of what happened yesterday and his stupid girlfriend. But he is a friend of mine, and that's rude if I don't see him. I really like you, Sammy. You're all I have for now. Hopefully I'll meet someone else that's way better than him. I should get dressed. Shower, I guess. Someone's at the door again. Just a minute. Now, let's change. Better. Maybe I should change my hair and maybe my clothes, but I'll decide that tomorrow. I guess I should check on that who's at the coming. Oh, it's so early. James? Hey. What do you need? You're sorry about yesterday? Yeah, right, your girlfriend should be sorry. She always be bossing you around with you. What's the point of having someone to boss you around and not have a mother? Your mother might as well boss you around than your girlfriend. But what? How is she different from us? Well, me at least. Only when I'm around? So you're saying that I should leave this only part where someone actually cares about me? No, no, goodbye. I can't believe he's gonna tell me how I should leave. You just came here and you're saying I should leave? Maybe you should leave. Ugh. I should get something to eat. I'm really hungry before I start my work. Then later I'll give you your work, Sammy. And later I'll also give him his flowers back. Ow. Let's have some of this. Yummy. Okay. Well, I guess I should go do my work now. This solar bell don't really work. I need to fix that, but maybe later. Whew. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? Something just shot at me. It was an arrow. Why? Whatever. I need to do my work. Okay. There. more wheat. Yes. Good thing that you actually get more than one seed, just in case you run out. But I'll never run out because I have a stack. Or a lot. Um, there, 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 there. Uh-oh, it's Sunday night. Oh, I should hurry. I came on late. No, this is bad. Okay, let's hurry and get Sammy a walk. Go, go. Oh god, these colors is not very fast. Come on. No. Do you not want to go to for a walk? Apparently not. Come here, Sammy. There you go. Come on, girl. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go for a midnight walk, I guess. I wonder where I get paid, but I don't really know what I could buy. Maybe I can make a store. If they pay me enough, then maybe I can make a store to buy, and I guess Sarah could work at it. And maybe more people could come to my farm, which would be nice. I love you so much. You're my favorite pet that I ever had. No, Sammy, you can't sit. You can't sit. Well, I guess he sits in this corner now. I really like James. I really, really did. I don't know why he left me. But I need to stop thinking about it and get my own life and my own boyfriend. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be that's gonna be the end of this episode. I hope that you all enjoyed. Today, Kayla, well, James really likes Kayla, but Kayla don't really like James anymore. If he didn't break up with her, then she would still love him. But now he loves someone else, and now Kayla will try to find her own boyfriend. Let's see. Hopefully, next episode, who will join us, and who will this person be? Will it be my best friend? Will it be my old boyfriend? Will it be a random person? No one knows. But I hope that you all enjoyed. Can we hit 5 likes? We can do it. So,